Hi, everyone. Especially IA parents. My name is Claudia Janik, and I am the school librarian at the IA. I'm also the parent of IA 10th grader. So I wanted to walk you through accessing some of the Canvas options that you have as a parent. So the first thing that you need, if you haven't done this, you need your parent portal login that you use for Parent Connection and the password that you have set. A couple days ago, Mrs. Miner sent an email that your password had to be 9 characters or more for all this to work. If it's not 9 characters, then you need to change it here first. And then you go to the Canvas logon, and you have to add a P to your PIN number. That was just right there. And then the same password that you use for Parent Connect. So then you are going to log in, and you'll see your students' classes. And I also want to show, I think it might be kind of backwards, but there is a Canvas Parent Connect or Canvas Parent app. I also have the teacher one, so you can see that I have 2 of them. And what you want to do is click on Account and get this QR for mobile login. So that will generate, and actually I don't want to generate it since I'm going to put it on YouTube. Because once you have that QR code, it will access your account and all of your students' information. So you don't really want to make that very shareable. So if I was doing it for real, I would click on proceed, and then you get the QR code, and then there'll be an option in your Parent Canvas app that will allow you to scan that QR code. And that should be it. That should connect your accounts, and then it should be available to you on your mobile device. That app is available for both iPhones and for the Android platform. So hopefully this helps. I know it's been a little bit confusing, the order to do it in, and all the software is brand new for everybody. So I hope this little video helps.